Now we are going to learn about inserting a table. How to insert a table to your slide? We have to select a slide where you like to insert a table. Go to insert option, table. Here you can select the table, number of the rows, columns you required. You can select, okay, number of the rows and columns, and okay, like this. Once you have been inserted, you can change the design, whichever the design you like. You can take the design here, okay, whichever the design you feel that one suitable for your representation, data representation, and click and drag to place and select this corner bubble to resize the table, to resize the table. Again, you can change the design here, shadings you can change, color you can change, background color, table color you can change, or you can change the border style, okay, table border style you can change, and you can change the text within a particular thing. Like this you can change, and you can start writing here like name, location. Like this we can start writing about a data, okay. Like this you can start writing a data within a table also. This is how we can utilize the table option to resize any of the column. Select that edge and drag to resize any of the column. Okay, to move that one we have to select table. Like this cursor should be there, and you can click and drag to move the table. You can move the table anywhere, okay. Like this we can insert the table. If you like to delete the table, then select the table and hit delete, okay, to delete the table. Even you can change the insert additional row or additional column within a table. Insert a table. How to add a column? Select where you like to add a column, select, okay, select that particular cell. You can say insert to right, or if you like to delete that one, delete the column. For example, if you like to insert any of the row, select there, insert row above or insert row below. Above as well as below is there, you can insert a additional row. If you like to delete that one, select and delete the row. If you select this one and say delete table, the entire table will be deleted. Okay, like this we can utilize the this particular layout structure to change the this one. If you like to merge the cells, what you can do, select those two cells, merge cells. If you like to split, you can go to split cell. You can say that how many columns it should be. For example, I say 3 column 2 row. Within that particular cell itself, 3 columns and 2 rows I would like to add. Like this it will be added. Okay, like this you can modify the any of the table. You can using a layout option and design option to change the structure. In the sense, to change the format we'll use a design option. To change the structure we are using a layout option, to add a row, column, or delete or split, or to make a merge. Apart from that, in insert we can also add a video. How to add a video? Either you can select from your PC, okay, if you are there in a computer. If it is there in a online, for example some of the other website you have in a YouTube or somewhere you have, you can select that, and you can select that particular url is nothing but a link. That YouTube link you have to paste here, okay. For example, if you like to add a audio, how can we add a audio here? We can select a audio, from your PC, or you can record the audio also. In the sense, you like to give an explanation to this particular table. Okay, what you can do, you can record audio here, and you can say here record. It will start recording. It will start recording as soon as you can see here number of seconds it has been increasing. Once you say okay, it will be recorded. You can see here the mic color, the mic type of the icon, that is nothing but a recording. You can again change the format of this one. You can change the format. Okay, here you can change the this format. You can give the color, this frame, everything you can give. Again, playback, like you can change the sound, high sound, low sound, medium sound. Okay, again you can change the trim the audio. For example, the starting something I don't want, I can trim. The end I think don't want this thing, I can say, and I can play back and I can check and say okay to trim the audio. And you can give the when to start your audio. Is it to be started as automatically, or when someone click on that particular audio it has to start, or in sequence, in a sense one by one, after showing this one, after it will come this table, then your audio will be played. Like this you can take a sequence for your audio also. Okay, this way we can do. And you can hide during a show. This particular audio will be hidden during a show if you selected this one. And rewind after playing, in the sense once again it will be get play. Okay, like this we can change the audio, we can use the audio. Okay, we can insert a audio by using a insert option, audio as well as a video we can insert. One more thing we can insert, that is nothing but equations. For example, you are writing some mathematical formulas, then you can say insert equation. Okay, you can insert equations, whichever the size you like to make it, you can size it. If you like to edit anything here, you can edit by using any of the functions what you like to edit this. Okay, like this we can utilize the equation also. For the equation you can refer the detailed video is there, how to insert the equations in a word. Okay, same thing which will be applicable in a slides also, in a PowerPoint also. So you can refer that particular video which is available in a Microsoft Word section about a equation, inserting a equation. You can refer if you know that one. Same thing, that is a equation and symbols. Okay, this is about all the things what we have been learned so far. It is about inserting a table, audio, video, equations and symbols.